चेस्ट एक्सरे एनालिसिस करने के लिए एक बहुत ही सिंपल निमोनिक है ABCDEF, वेयर A stands for airways, B stands for bones, C stands for cardiac, D stands for diaphragm, E stands for extra thoracic tissues and F stands for fields and fissures. अब एयरवे में आपको क्या देखना है, यू हैव टू लुक फॉर द ट्रेकियल डेविएशन. ये जो रेड एरो है ये ट्रेकिया है, एंड द पिंक एरो इज राइट एंड लेफ्ट मेन ब्रोंकस, एंड द ग्रीन एरो इज कैरिना. तो आपको इसमें ये देखना है कि कहीं ट्रेकिया डेविएटेड तो नहीं है. Look for bones. Actually, chest X-ray gives a very accurate view for seeing fractures like clavicle fracture or rib fracture. So this yellow dash line and the yellow arrow is indicating towards the shadow of the scapula. The red dash line and the red arrow is clavicle. The pink dash line is indicating towards vertebrae, and the green dash line and the green arrows is third rib. This is the first rib, this is the second rib, and the third rib is this. Okay, so usually 8th to 10th rib is normally visible if it's hyperinflated or overinflated, like in the case of COPD. तो फिर इससे ज़्यादा ribs visible होती हैं because of overinflation. Into cardiac, तो what you have to look is the border of the heart, the Sill-Hout, यानी कि the borders of the heart should be clear. If they are not clear, that can indicate a pathology. And one more thing that is important is the width of the heart should be half of the diaphragm. If it's wider than that, it can be cardiomegaly or it can be due to pericardial effusion. Now coming to diaphragm, so always remember the right hemi diaphragm should be a little higher than the left hemi diaphragm. एक और चीज़ जो इसमें important है, that is costophrenic angle. ठीक है, अगर ये costophrenic angle visible है और proper sharp दिख रहा है तो that is normal. अगर इसकी blunting हो रही है तो it can indicate condition like pleural effusion. So these are the 3 zones of lung. Now we should compare the lung parenchyma from left to right in upper, middle and lower zone and see whether there is a difference or not. और हम क्या देख सकते हैं कि जो thorax है उसके बाहर के जो soft tissues हैं, उसके आसपास के जो soft tissues हैं उसमें कुछ foreign body तो नहीं है या फिर subcutaneous air तो नहीं है, जैसे कि subcutaneous emphysema में होता है. तो we have to look for that.